Welcome. Today we're going to guide you through setting up YouTube on your TV. First, open the Google Play Store on your TV. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search function to find the YouTube app. Simply type YouTube into the search bar and select the app from the search results. If you haven't already installed YouTube, you'll see an Install button. Tap on it to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the Open button will appear. Tap on Open to launch the YouTube app. Next, you'll need to sign in to your YouTube account. If your account is already available, simply select it. If not, tap on Add another account and follow the prompts to add your account. This typically involves entering your email address and password, then verifying your account. Once you've entered your credentials, YouTube may require you to verify your account using a secondary device, such as a smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successfully signing in, you'll be able to set up your YouTube preferences and start watching videos on your TV. That's it. You've successfully set up YouTube on your TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.